Welcome to Best Western Shelbyville Inn & Suites Celebration Inn. Just 14 miles from Lynchburg. We're located just across from the Tennessee Walking Horse National Celebration Grounds and much more. Plus, Lynchburg offers the Jack Daniel's Distillery and many more attractions. Businesses in the area include Tyson, Calsonic Kensai, National Pen, and Jostens. You may want to take advantage of our heated indoor pool and fitness center as well. Your Q-bed features a comfortable premium mattress and linens, a generous supply of fluffy pillows, and a soft, plush blanket. Middle Tennessee State University and events like the RC Cola Festival, the Web School Fall Craft Show and Sale, and the Moon Pie Festival. Plus, we have the friendly staff you need for an excellent experience when you reserve a room and stay with us. Stay with us for a great night's rest that will lead to good mornings in this interesting and unique area. BestWesternShelbyville.com